Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can change the icon size on Samsung smartphone. So let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your Samsung smartphone, scroll a bit where you will find the option home screen. Tap on it. Here you will find the option home screen grid and app screen grid. You need to tap here and it will bring you here. So if you choose the sizes, these are the sizes at the bottom. Suppose you choose the sizes here, it will increase, and if you go to the right of the screen, it will become smaller. So suppose I do this one, then I go to the app grid, and here also I want to make it larger and then tap on done. So now I will go back. As you can see now, the app icon size now increased. So guys, this is how you can increase the size of app icons on Samsung smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.